camera over downtown. Not a cloud in sight, and temperatures awfully cold to the north, mainly in the teens now. Peoria is 24 along with Bloomington normal, and the wind speeds light 5 to 15 miles per hour, but they're just strong enough to bring the wind chill down into the single digits from LaSalle, Peru up into Pontiac, and then obviously out in Galesburg. Now the wind chill down to 4. We're pretty quiet across the state. Some light snow showers moving across Missouri. Those will not get here. High pressures eating into that moisture, but lake effect snow showers continue across much of Michigan. Meanwhile, our next storm system is well to the west. Monday storm already beginning to nice big circulation there in California. What's eventually going to become our low pressure system is that little curl that is just now diving south of, or just south along the western coast of Oregon. But notice how far away this is. It is still 1,800, almost 1,900 miles out, and that's a straight line. It's still going to be coming down through California before hooking its way up to the north and east. So it's got a ways to go before it gets here, which means there's a lot of time for things to change a little bit. But everything's pointing to a pretty decent winter storm event as we get into Sunday night and Monday. Until then, we have another little weak system that's going to be heading our direction. This is going to start to spread some very light snow into central Illinois by Saturday night. As for tonight, skies will be clear, the wind speed's light, but we're still looking awfully cold, especially up north with single-digit temperatures for most areas up there. And then as we go through tomorrow, clouds are going to increase. Skies will become mostly cloudy. You can't discount a straight flurry or two north of I-74, but most of our snow chances are going to hold off until tomorrow night. We'll also warm up just a little bit. Highs of 29 in Peoria and Bloomington, upper 20s in Galesburg, out through Kewanee and LaSalle, Peru. The cloud cover continues to increase. Scattered snow showers develop tomorrow evening. The heaviest snow, though, is going to focus along in north of Interstate 80. Anything this far south is going to be a little more hit and miss. And as you get south of Interstate 74, I think you start bringing in the greater concern of a wintry mix or even some very light freezing rain, but any ice accumulation is going to be very minimal through Sunday. Here's the snowfall forecast. Saturday night, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of accumulation up north, trace to an inch for areas along Interstate 74. Not expecting any accumulating snow further south. But let's talk about the main event coming in Sunday evening into Monday. Maybe a few isolated or light snow showers Sunday afternoon, but here comes the main push. Notice where we start to see that wintry mix, which in all likelihood is going to be a band of freezing rain and sleet. And any adjustment in the track here, I mean, we're talking about a 10 or 15 mile swath. So any adjustment in the track is going to have some significant impacts on our snowfall totals. But notice this transition over to some heavy snow as we head into Monday with some lingering snow showers into Tuesday morning. Right now, heavy snow is a possibility for areas basically from a Macomb to Peoria to Pontiac line. Rain along and south of Interstate 72. But one thing we're going to be watching out for is that potential for some freezing rain across central Illinois, especially from areas like Peoria through Pontiac down through Bloomington and Lincoln. So freezing rain falling before heavy snow is going to have some significant impacts. Power outages likely, hazardous travel absolutely, and the probability now of at least 3 inches of accumulation is over 60%, and there's still some time to go. Here's that extended forecast. We're looking at, well, a wintry mix and some ice to snow on Monday. Significant accumulations of possibility. Oh, and we could have another chance of snow on Wednesday. We'll be back after this.